Yeah, just gotta straighten that out. So let's get to that. So let's get to taking this thing apart. Take this off, take off this rear fairing, and release that brake, because the brake is stuck, tire's not turning. So the back is moving freely. It must be the front. I lifted it up, I spun the wheels, and they were moving, so maybe they're not stuck anymore, it was just frozen. Let's give it a try. Yep. We're rolling. She's going. I mean, she's running really good. Yeah, just gotta straighten that out. So let's get to that. All right, so I got that off, and it's looking straight already. Once I get it like that, pretty much good. Let's get that off. See what needs to be straightened. All right, so we got that off, and everything is looking pretty good. I think what's bent here is just this piece right here. I could pull that straight like this one. And then this bolts off. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. You take off this, and then this pole just needs to be lined back up with this one. You can see there's the kink in it, but maybe a little sledgehammer action. Once this is off, then we're good to go. The exhaust isn't touched at all. So what I want to do here is take this cage off, this little back subframe, take this plastic thing off, heat this up, heat this pole up, and hit it back straight to that one there. This part actually looks pretty good. It just looks like this pole has to be pushed forward to line up with that. So I'm gonna try to heat this up and smack this forward to line up exactly with this one. I don't know why nothing's coming out of this propane. So trying to line up with this one and just about getting there. This propane torch barely letting off any flame, but I can get a different torch from my dad, but he won't be here till tomorrow. So this little torch and some persuasion with the sledgehammer is what we're working with. So I don't know, that's looking pretty straight to me. I just gotta like tilt this up a little bit. I'm gonna put a bolt in here and hit that bolt to straighten that so it's flat like this one. This is where we're at. Got this almost lined up. I got a better torch now, a better flame. So I'm gonna line these up a little bit more. And then this seems to be straight, but this one you can see where the paint has chipped off. This is crooked. I'm gonna try to heat it up and bend it. Well, I am gonna heat it up and try to bend it. And if that doesn't work, this piece, I saw it on eBay for only like 20 to 50 bucks. So if it doesn't work, I'll just order a new one. Starting to come to shape. That's almost lined up with that hole. Then once I can get this bent down there, I'll bolt it in and start hitting this part up.